County in northwestern Indiana until 8:15 p.m. At 7:24 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Manis, or near University Park, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Chicago, Hammond, Gary, Orland Park, Tinley Park, Oak Lawn, Calumet City, Chicago Heights, East Chicago, Cherville, Lansing, New Lenox, Highland, Blue Island, Munster, Dalton, Park Forest, Alsip, Madison, and Mokina. Including the following interstates: Interstate 55 between mile markers 291 and 294. Interstate 57 between mile markers 331 and 358. Interstate 80 between mile markers 145 and 155. Interstate 90 between mile markers 101 and 107. Interstate 94 between mile markers 53 and 74. Interstate 294 between mile markers 53 and 74. This includes Purdue University Northwest Hammond, University of Chicago, Windy City Thunderbolts Baseball, Hollywood Casino Amphitheater, Governors State University, Prairie State College, Soldier Field, South Suburban College, Guaranteed Rate Field, Illinois Institute of Technology, The Loop, Museum of Science and Industry, Museum Campus, and Northerly Island. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The following is a special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Calumet Harbor, nearshore waters from Calumet Harbor to Michigan City, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City out to Mid-Lake until 9 p.m. At 7:24 p.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing brief waterspouts and severe wind gusts were located along a line extending from near Wilmette Harbor to near 31st Street Harbor to 16 nautical miles south of Indiana Harbor, moving northeast at 40 to 45 knots. Hazard, brief waterspouts and wind gusts to nearly 50 knots. Source, radar indicated. Impact, waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Calumet Harbor, Burnham Harbor, Michigan City Harbor, Wilmette Harbor, Jackson Park Harbor, 31st Street Harbor, Monroe Harbor, Burns Harbor, and Indiana Harbor. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately. This is NOAA Weather Radio, KXI41 Crystal Lake. Severe weather is occurring or forecast to occur in our listening area. This station will broadcast